Today, I am here to explain about the top NBA colleges and expected cutoff to get those colleges 2026. I am explaining the top MBA colleges you can get based on your rank. This helps to make option entry after your result came. When your result came, like if your result came 500 rank, then you compare with this expected cutoff, then prioritize your colleges based on this cutoff in option entry. This increases the chance of getting your favorite and preferred college. So I think this video may help you to get your favorite college. And now we can see the college rank under 1 to 5000. So the first college is RV Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. RV Institute of Technology, Bengaluru, Management, Bengaluru. It is for rank in between 100 to 260. I am saying again, this is first round seat allotment. In second round seat allotment, this rank may increase. Like it may come 100 to 300. So if your rank came in between 100 to 260, you can prefer this college as your first priority. And next college is PES University. This is PES University, Bengaluru. It is for 270 to 550 rank. 270 to 550 rank. You can prefer this college if your rank came 600 also. Like it is a expected cutoff. Some more rank may vary in numbers. Next one is Ramaiah Institute of Technology, 330 to 390. If your rank came under 500, you can prefer these three colleges. Next is BMS College of Engineering. This is 450 to 880. Prefer colleges based on your marks and your rank and your confidence, not other opinions, your friends' priorities, and by its famous. Prefer it by your own thinking, your own decision, college background, college placements, and all. Next is Bangalore Institute of Technology. It is for 1200 to 1700. Next, sixth one is Christ University for MBA. It is 1200 to 2500. If your rank came under 3000, you can choose this college. Next one is Reva University. Reva University, Bengaluru. It is for 1300 to 3600. If your rank came under this, you can choose this college. Next, CMR University. Its rank is 2700 to 4000. Mount Carmel College, 2000 to 5800. Presidency University, it is 2500 to 5000. These are the top 10 colleges which may bring some good content and placement for your future under the 5000 rank. So choose the best college which is good for placement, teaching and knowledge. The top placement focused colleges are RVIM Bengaluru, Reva University, PES University, BMSE Bengaluru, MSRIT, Ramaiah Institute, and Christ University, BIT Bengaluru. And the next topic is rank below 5000, you have access to many top colleges in Bengaluru. So you should choose with your opinion, with your knowledge. And next continuation part of the backup colleges, low rank and backup colleges. If you have above this much rank, you should choose these colleges. Like Acharya Institute of Technology, it is for 5000 to 8000. New Horizon College of Management, it is 5000 to 8500. If your rank came above 5000, you can choose these colleges. Only don't depend on those colleges. Please add backup colleges. For example, your priority is PES University, but you not get that college. But top 2, top 10, add those backup colleges. If you miss top university, you can get little good and more placements second priority college also. So add more backup colleges. This is my suggestion. Next, East Point College of MBA, 5,500 to 9,000. So focus on college background also. Don't go for its famous. T. John College for MBA. It is 6,000 to 10,000. Dayananda Sagar Business Academy. It is 5,000 to 9,000 rank. If your rank came above 5,000, below 10,000, you can prefer these colleges. Next, CMR Institute of Management Studies, 6,000 to 10,000. And next one is Jain University, PGCT seats if available, you can see this up to 6,000 to 10,000. SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, it is up to 12,000 rank you can get. Srinivas Institute of Management Studies, Mangaluru, 7,000 to 10,000 plus rank if you got. You can choose these colleges. Not only Bangalore colleges, some other districts also have some good college with decent placement and good study. So you can choose these colleges if your rank is more. If your rank is more, don't go behind the top colleges. They are not made for you because you can't get. It is not the topic of money, it is the topic of rank. So if your rank is more, you can't get that college. Your rank if low, you can compete with the top colleges. Next is Sahyadri College of Engineering, Mangaluru, up to 29,000 rank if you have, you can get these colleges. Next, why consider these colleges? Good placements, industry exposure. The main thing of the college should be, if you should consider, is not the lessons, not the lecture, the practicality and how they practically bring the topics in your mind. That should be more important, not that. Placements, industry exposure should be main point, and experienced faculty should be there. Modern infrastructure, campus also the main important. Overall development. Don't worry if you have higher rank. Many great MBA colleges are still within your reach. Tips for better chances is fill as many as college options as possible. I am saying again and again, add more backup colleges. Check cutoffs of every year. Choose based on rank and preference. Attend counseling and stay updated. Comment your rank and category, or comment your expected rank, and if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. I will solve any time and any day in the month, year, any time I can solve your problem. So comment in the comment box if you have any doubts. And another thing I want to say is, for PGCT updates or career guidance or anything, subscribe my channel. If you liked it, like. If you not liked it, dislike. Share and help other your friends. And plan smart, choose wisely, succeed surely. So don't follow friends colleges, don't follow the trends, don't follow by famous colleges. Please confidence with your rank, and please confidence with your research and the colleges you want to get admission. So based on this, if you work good, then you can get good college. Thank you.